Drain the old fluid. Place a drain pan under the transmission. Remove the drain plug 14 mm on the passenger side of the transmission pan and allow the fluid to drain completely. Remove the transmission pan. Use a 10 mm socket to remove the bolts around the perimeter of the pan. Use a screwdriver to carefully pry the pan loose from the transmission, leaving one bolt in place to avoid a sudden fluid spill. Replace the filter. Remove the 310 mm bolts that hold the transmission filter in place. Make sure the old O-ring is removed with the filter. Lubricate the O-ring on the new filter with fresh CVT fluid and install it. Clean and reinstall the pan. Clean the old gasket maker from the transmission pan and the transmission mating surface using a scraper and brake cleaner. Clean the magnet at the bottom of the pan to remove any metal shavings. Apply a new, uniform bead of RTV sealant to the pan. Refill the transmission. Use a pump to add new CVT fluid until it begins to trickle out. Start vehicle and top off until trickling out.